Hello students, welcome to Excel class number 3. In this class, we will understand order of operations and comparison operators. So order of operations is used in arithmetic operations. The arithmetic order of operation in Excel is PEMDAS. So parentheses are solved first, then exponents. Exponents are basically the values in power, multiplication, division and subtraction. Here we will see what will be the result if we do 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equal to, let's take the cell address as A5 plus B5 into, so what will be the result? So the result is according to PEMDAS, so multiplication will be evaluate first. So 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So the result will be, so if we need to perform the addition before the multiplication, we need to keep the addition in the bracket. So let's do it. Equal to bracket start this plus this bracket close multiply by this. The values are same as in the first example. So the result will be 14 because in this case parenthesis will be solved first. In the parenthesis we have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 will be 7 and then the multiplication will be evaluated. So the result will be 14. So the next thing is comparison operators. The comparison operator in Excel are equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to and not equal to. So if we want to compare the two values, the result will be true or false. For example, equal to this greater than this. In this case, we are comparing two values and the result will be true in this case. And if we change the value 2 to 12, the result will be false as 10 is not greater than 12. So the comparison operators in Excel returns the value to true or false. So not equal to. In the case of mathematics, the sign is different, but to represent not equal to sign in Excel, we need to perform this function equal to this less than and greater than combination, and this formula is 8 not equal to 8. So what will be the result? The result will be false as 8 is equal to 8, and if we change the value to 10, the result will be true as 10 is not equal to 8. So in the arithmetic operation, there is exponents. To represent the exponents in an Excel, so equal to value 1, shift, press 6, this will give exponent sign. This, the result will be 8 to the power 3 is 8. In mathematics, we simply represent 2 and 3 in above of 2. 2 is base and 3 is exponent, but in Excel we represent it with the sign which we get with the shift and 6 key. Control enter, the result is 8. Let's change the power to the power 4 and the result will be 16. We can change the base as well. So 3. So the result will be 81. So here we have seen when we compare the two values, we get the result as true and false. But in case if we need the result as correct or incorrect, we can use the if formula equal to if bracket start. The syntax of if starts, first input is logical test. So logical test is we want to compare this is 9 greater than 6, comma, next input is value of true. What do we want if this result is true? This result will be either true or false. Value of true, we put it in the inverted commas. The text is always placed in inverted comma when placed in a formula. So we want it to be correct. Inverted comma closed, comma, inverted comma incorrect. Inverted comma close, bracket close, control enter. So the result is correct in place of true, and if we change the value to 5, we get the result as incorrect. In this scenario, we are using cell addresses as output. So the formula will be same, equal to if bracket start. Logical test is we want to compare A11 with a B11, comma, value of true. Now instead of hard coding the output in the formula, we are giving cell addresses H10, comma, H11, bracket close, control enter. So value 1 is greater. So in this case, if you want to change the output, we can directly hard code the value in the cell address, correct and incorrect. The value is changed. The output we got is correct and incorrect. Here we have to change the value only in the cell address. We will get the result. We don't need to change the formula. This is the power of using cell addresses in a formula. But in this case, if we change it to another like yes and no, the value will be changed in this scenario, but the value is not changed in this scenario. So in this, if we want to change the output, we need to edit the formula and change the output in the formula. So these are order of operation, comparison operator, and if function. If function in Excel compares the value to an expected value and return a result based on whether the comparison is true or false. We can change the result to any other output instead of true and false with the help of if function. Thank you.